In this video we are going to learn about how we can get a local date from the local date time. So for that we need to create the instance of the local date time. So we create a local date time instance, and local date time should be system, consider now, and I add the one SOP here, local date time. Now I run this program. Now local date time is print in console. Now second step is I need to local date, and using local date time instance has one method to local date. So from local date time it is get a local date, and I add here one SOP and print here local date time. Now I run this program and check out it is working properly. Now local date time is, we can see here, and the local date is a 3rd of August 2024. So this way we can get the local date from the local date time.